What's up, everybody? Mitchell here, and this is the Factual Nerd. Today we're going to be talking about 12 facts about the human body. Let's just jump right into it. How's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to the Factual Nerd. As I said, this is Mitchell, and like I said, also we're going to be talking about 12 facts about the human body. So let's just jump right into it. Fact number one. I'm not going to actually count it because I'll probably lose count. In the next 30 seconds, you will, on average, produce 72 million red blood cells, shed 174,000 skin cells, and have 25 thoughts. That's pretty crazy. I don't know about you. I don't know about the whole 25 thoughts thing because I'm usually stuck on like one or two that usually stress me out. That's why my receding hairline, speaking of bodies, is going. But anyways, that's what it says. And also a little disclaimer really quick. I don't know how accurate these are. I didn't dive into that much research. I'm way too lazy for that. But these are what they say are facts. So let's just blame the scientists for this one. Number two. Your brain can store 2.5 million gigabytes of data and process info much faster than the fastest supercomputer. Well, if it's anything like my computer, I know pretty much even some dumb people who could process faster than that. I mean, my computer's kind of slow. But that's crazy. I mean, that's a lot of memory. That's a lot of data that could be stored. 2.5 million gigabytes. Like what? A lot of phones nowadays are like 32 gigabytes. Just think about it like that, and think how much you can store into your phone. Now, picture human brain, which is 2.5 million gigabytes. Your phone storage is like a speck compared to your brain's data storage. Number three. If uncoiled, the DNA in all the cells in your body would stretch 10 billion miles. So it's equivalent to stretching from here to Pluto, which by the way is a planet, I don't care what anybody says, and back. So it goes all the way to Pluto and back in our body, in one body. So there's that. I mean, that's pretty crazy. I did not know that. A lot of these I did not know when I first read it. This one had me going, and you'll see the thing that I'm looking at is going to pop up like the rest of them have been. It says, dieting could force your brain to eat itself. I like that one. Now I'm not going to diet. And then at the bottom, in tiny little letters as you can see up here, it says scientists say. Damn scientists. Anyways, moving on. This one's kind of cool. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. And basically in that 7 minutes, it's the mind playing back the person's memories in a dream sequence. Now, I'm super convinced at this point that I have short-term memory loss, so it'll probably be like 1 minute of my brain playing shit back to me, and then the other 6 minutes of, I don't know, elevator music, or like the monkey with the, symbols. I don't know. Moving on. This is a pretty cool and fun fact. Your brain creates enough electricity to power a light bulb. So, I don't know how they really figured that out, but it's kind of cool. And I think that might, don't mark me on this, I'm just thinking what it might be. I think that might be where the whole light bulb idea thing, like, oh, I have an idea, and it shows a light bulb. I think that's probably where that came from, maybe. This one's kind of cool. I did not know this one. When you get goosebumps and your hair stands up, the hair helps to trap air, making you feel warmer by keeping in your body heat. Which is kind of cool. I don't know, unless you're a super hairy person, I don't really know how that works, but apparently it does. Moving on. The nose can remember 50,000 different scents. 50,000 different scents. I know my nose definitely can. Somewhat recently I had a deviated septum, so I couldn't smell a lot anyways. and I somewhat recently just had that fixed. Now I can smell everything, which is not necessarily a good thing sometimes. But yeah, 50,000 different scents, so which is kind of cool. So this one here, my stomach looks nothing close to that. The variety of bacteria found inside the human belly button is equivalent to that of the rainforest. Whole rainforest. All the bacteria in the rainforest, that's how much is in your belly button. You're welcome. Let's see, alright, this one here. Now let's jump to the pregnant women. When a pregnant woman has a seizure or heart attack, the fetus will send stem cells to the mother to help restore the damaged cells. So, you know, the fetus is just, it's trying to keep, obviously, if you really look at it in kind of a weird way, you know, your body, to you pregnant women, your body's like the host, you know, and your fetus is trying to keep the host obviously safe and alive and healthy because it needs you to be. So that's pretty cool and it makes sense. Alright, this one right here is pretty cool. Numerous times today you could have developed cancer. Sometimes when a cell is about to go cancerous, it will commit suicide to keep itself from harming other cells, which is awesome. Now obviously, yes, there's still cancer and everything, but your body's trying to fight that. You know, it's trying to keep you healthy. Alright, next one. Whenever your eyes move when you focus on something, your brain erases the blurry non-focus memory of when your eye was actually moving. Because we look around so much, the brain erases roughly 45 minutes each day. So there's 45 minutes of your day that your brain does not remember. But it doesn't really matter because it's blurry anyways and out of focus. You know, which kind of like most of my first YouTube videos I ever posted were on my other channels. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of cool. Your brain's constantly going, and as you know, the previous facts too, your body's constantly doing something. Yeah, but there's, you know, pretty much our little 12 fun facts about the human body. Some of them you may knew, some of them you didn't. If you think some of them are false, go ahead and comment down in the section below. You know, show me where the true statements or whatever the true research is, and I'll gladly look. Like I said before, this may not be true, this may be true. I didn't do that much research into it because I'm lazy. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed to The Factual Nerd, please go ahead and do so. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, ding ding ding. It'll let you know when we post more videos. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Glad to have you guys. As I said before, this is Mitchell, and this is The Factual Nerd, and I'll see you guys next time.